6:30 p.m. for northeastern Oakland County. At 5:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Ortonville, or 9 miles west of Oxford, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Oxford around 6:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Leonard, Lake Orion, and Lakeville. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Oakland, Michigan. Here is the forecast for the northern